Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro is set to be launched on October 15, packing a 64 megapixel camera, 90Hz refresh rate display, Snapdragon 855 plus SoC and 50-watt fast charging. Ahead of the phone official debut, Realme Chief Marketing Officer he posted an official render of the Realme X2 Pro showing the phone a quad rear camera and a garnet blue design on its rear panel. Chief mentioned that this particular color is called Poseidon and it is inspired by the color scheme of the sea floor. The company has decided to reveal the most of the key specifications one by one. Realme CMO confirmed that it will arrive with the 12GB RAM and accumulating 256GB of internal storage. So let's take a look the full specification of this phone: design, camera, color, price and the official release date. So the Realme X2 Pro smartphone runs on Android version 9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.96 GHz single core Kerio 485 plus 2.42 GHz tri-core Kerio 485 plus 1.8 GHz quad core Kerio 485 processor. It's run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. The GPU is the Adreno 640 700 MHz. It has 64 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB internal storage, and it's come with the 6, 8 and 12 GB RAM. Micro SD card up to 256 GB and is dedicated slot for the micro SD card. Realme X2 Pro smartphone has a fluid AMOLED display. It measures 165.7mm by 8.7mm and the weight of this phone is the 199 grams. The screen has a resolution 1080p by 2400 pixel and 396 ppi pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 19 by 5 by 9 and screen to body ratio is 85.1. It comes with the dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby camera. On the rear there is 64 f1.8 wide angle plus 13 megapixel f2.4 telephoto plus 8 megapixel f2.3 ultra wide and plus 2 megapixel f2.4 deep sensor camera with the feature like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It's backed by 3900 mAh battery with a fast battery charging 50 watt. The charging can charge the battery 100% in just 35 minutes and it's super VOOC flash charger. The connectivity feature in the smartphone including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, VoLTE and more. The Realme X2 Pro come with the two color pearl white and pearl blue. The pricing of the Realme X2 Pro is not known. However, the inclusion of advanced feature suggests that it may not be very affordable device. The recently launched Snapdragon 855 plus powered Realme K20 Pro premium smartphone is priced at 2,999 yuan, which is $420 for its 12GB RAM and 512GB storage edition. Probably the Realme X2 Pro could be the pricing between 3,000 to 4,000 yuan, which is in USD $560. However, it's advisable to wait for further report to knowing its pricing. The global launch of the Realme X2 Pro is set for October 15 in Madrid, Spain. Realme X2 Pro is part for the Realme X series smartphone and has been codenamed Super Samurai, which means that the upcoming device will be the faster and smoother version of the Realme X2. So that is for now. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more teach related video. I see you in my next video. Peace out.